Get it straight on with the grooves. Get your good hands on. It's going to be just off your inside of your forearm.
Yep.
And then we're going to hit a little shot. We're going to feel the hinge.
If you don't hinge correctly,
can't get under.
It's going to catch on your forearm.
And if you cup too much, it can't flatten, can it?
No.
Okay, so on the way back, there's a hinging and a flattening. And on the way back,
feel that humidity?
the little pitch shots, parallel with the blue stripes right here, so you have a left foot awareness. Hingy. Boom, little pitch.
Okay.
Okay. And on the way through right here, you're going to bump it a bit, so that's okay. Just make sure, not much. Here you go. Give it a try, bud.
You don't bump it.
So let's do some rehearsals. So left foot on one of the blue lines for me. Awesome. Okay. Let's take it back. Look down here and we'll feel this together. Go back. Good, good, good. So you've made room for it, right? Now what chance, now you just look down there. What chance does this have of hitting it squarely?
Well, without coming over, zero.
None. Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm getting a
So
cup. That's a cup grooves, right?
Yeah, so now feel this on the way down.
Okay. Yeah, gotcha.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So do the under-over exercise for me. Let's see how it looks. So. Nice and slow. So that ball position's a little too far back in your stance. That's better. Amazing.
Yeah, I felt that. I felt it just cross under.
Yes. Good, good, good.
Actually hit forward of the ball too.
Shocking. Left foot parallel. Come on. Square it up. Good. This is a good little trainer. Okay. So we're going to really be mindful of our wrist conditions. Go for it. Okay. Not bad. A little chunky. Not bad. But I love the fact that your mind is in your hands right now and you're paying attention to wrist conditions, right?
Yeah, that's something I've never done.
Of course not.
Never thought about it.
No.
Come back. You know, if it's right, it's right. If it's wrong, which is most of the time.
You're doing awesome.
But I don't even know why it's wrong.
Well, it's just, so wrist conditions, let me explain. So here's wrist conditions. Club face. I'll bring this bad boy back to even with the grooves. So I can do this, and this is what I'm going to get your wife doing here in a little bit. You could see how in my backswing the left wrist flattens.
Yeah.
So there's an impact alignment, okay? If I come back and I don't know what my wrist conditions are doing, look at what's going on with the face. Now I come down at high speed, what's the face? Has no relationship to the arc
no chance.
or the ball, right?
Yeah.
So this little slow-mo inside-out exercise, at least you have an awareness of how to have a left wrist that has a relationship to the face that can potentially hit strong straight shots.